Today it's so exciting because it's all about health, and I'm presenting four amazing juices, and they're made with freshly picked vegetables and fruits from the vegetable garden. I love to know the benefits of what I'm drinking, and I want to share it with you. Just going around the vegetable garden, picking up fruits and veggies. It's just so healthy and so special. Isn't it amazing that creation offers you these great opportunities for you to improve your health and well-being? And being able to do it is just so special. And even more special, that is my parents' vegetable garden. So who's spying on me? Write in comments and let me know. Being able to eat your products is just so good, so cool. I love it. It's one of my favorite things. Now I'm going to wash and disinfect. We are outside and it is so cool to see the water reflection and the trees. So nice. Assim, agora é coisa aqui. For me, it's so important to wash, disinfect, and rinse so all the bugs and dust are out of my drink for today. So now I'm making four juices. I would love to know which one you prefer. My parents always say that their garden gives them health and excellent energy. It's their superpower. We tasted the juices in family. They were so good. We laughed as well. And I'm going to share with you new juices very soon. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please give us the thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comments.